14th.
All right, think you're coming out. Good. 5 fish, 13 inches.
It's February 14th, Valentine's Day, Ambushers Tournament number 2 out here at Lake Nacimiento. Let's see how we can do. We know where some big ones are at. Let's see if we can get them in the boat this time. Had a little struggle out here last time. I couldn't even catch anything over one. I only caught like 2 fish over 1.5 and I threw the rest back. So see if we can stick some 2-pounders today. I think we can. See if we can get them. All right. Rock and roll. Probably just gonna run the same stuff we did the last 2 times. If that don't work, I got a couple other spots that I found last week. But we know they're around here. We just gotta land on top of them. Nope. First fish, got the skunk off the boat. Oh my God, they're not getting it. Come on, be a big one. Feels a little better. Oh yeah. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. $173. Tearing up my stuff. Few fish here. It's a pretty small area. I'm taking my time through here, fishing it really slow. It's only like a 50-yard stretch. Hate fishing slow, but it makes it hard to fish super fast in this cold weather and with just one person. Forgot the net today, so hopefully I don't land a 5-pounder or hook a 5-pounder. Love to land a 5-pounder. Something wrong. That's why you put the 10-pound test on, baby. Small one, but probably shouldn't even keep it, but I don't want to make the same mistake I made the last time. waste my time on these ones. It's the same size as that other one, though. Snagging a fish. Hopefully it's a big one. Decent one. Smaller than that first one, I think. Better than the second one. That was about 1.5 pounds. Just under. We need them twice that size. Not a bad start though. It's pretty snaggy and the stuff I'm throwing it way up in the bushes and the rocks. Right against the bank. Dang, I thought that was a good one. Don't look like it. Ooh, a bunch with it. Those look decent. There was like 3 or 4 of them with it. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. They all look pretty good too. 182, best one so far. I say, when I seen it in the water, it looked a lot smaller. When I set into it, it felt like a good one, but all right. Still a few fish sitting there. This one not very big, but bigger than be number 5 at least. 129. Need to get rid of all these fish. We got 728 right now. Throw it back. Another small one. Come on. Looked like it might have been a little bitter. We'll see. Nope. Better than the other two. That is for sure. Found a little pocket of them though. Maybe I'll get a big one. Another one. Same size. Just caught like 5 in a row on the same exact cast. All right, next spot. We out of rock. Oh my God, what was that? No. Are you f***ing shitting me? I think it was just the magnet. Jesus Christ, dude. Just lost my mic magnet. Thought I lost my whole mic again. I was gonna cry. Another throwback. I'm gonna retie real fast because I've caught a lot of fish and gotten a few stags and I haven't retied yet, so. Be a big one. Come on, man. No love. Another little guy. Oh yeah, that's be a good one. No. That one felt good. Was not. Another throwback. Say that one was biting it like a little one. Come on, man. Little. Gonna have to break out the swim bait or something. Hooked on my A-rig. Hooked on a fish. Oh, where'd all my big ones go, man? Need to be covering more water, man. I'm trying to pick it apart at the same time. It's a little different when you're solo. You need to figure this shit out. Cover way less water. Smalls for days. Maybe we need to try something different. Man. Man, there's a little freaking crap. This one's got a hook mark in his mouth. Little hook mark in his mouth from somebody else from last time. I hooked him right there. Got a fighter. This will probably cull that other tiny one, maybe. Culling number 2. Man, look at how beautiful green they look sitting in that live well. Woo. First coal. Be a big one. I don't know if she's gonna do it. Hooked really good. Yeah, that's not gonna do it. See what her smallest is. 129 is her smallest right now. Need us a torta pounder. Come on. Of course. White bass. I can see fish following it like every cast. Jesus, look at the size of that freaking white bass. Look at that thing. I think these are all white bass and I'm wasting my time, but sometimes big ones will hang out with these things. Be a giant spot. Freaking look at the size of these freaking white bass, man. Oops. Gotta tighten this thing up, man. Don't like wakes. That might be a good one. Let's hope. Nope. God. That would have been cool. First fish, just pull up and smack a good one. Man, the ones are fighting over here hard at least. Come on. They're where I left them. Got about an hour and 5 minutes. We got a jam. Should I stayed in the river and grinded it out and hope to catch a big one? We'll never know. I'm gonna stick it out here though, see what happens. No turning back now. These are not the ones. Are any big ones up there? There was the other day. Just had to keep plucking through the small ones. Come on. No big belly bass today, boys. No big belly bass. We still got 30 minutes. We've caught good ones here before. See what happens. Another small one. Good one, come on. I don't think that's a good one. He jumped like Free Willy. Jeez. Mike Cole. Jeez. Settle down, Billy. Nope. She ain't good enough. Oh, I felt like a good one too. I think I've said that about 50 times today. Felt like a good one too, bro. Felt like a good one. Oh man, that was a good one. Not much time left, about 25 minutes. The final countdown. Come on, be a big one time. Ooh, it looks like a good one. Bow flipper. We got a big Billy bass one time. Finally caught a 2-pounder, man. That'll help, but I don't think it's gonna put us in contention unless we snag like 3 more of those. Weighs 223, it looks like. Really need to re-weigh it. Yeah, about 225, 2 1/4 about. Number 5. Number 5, you're going back. Never give up, baby. Cole Daddy. Be another one. Nope. 4-pounder. One time. Doesn't feel like a 4-pounder. Probably ain't gonna get the money, honey. We did our best.
With 590 was Manetti. Skater. There you go. 21st with 20th with 611. Yep.
Caught like a 2 1/4, like at like 250.
Oh, nice.
My biggest fish all day.
I went up in Heritage thinking I could scope some over there in the docks. And everyone I scoped was a rat.
Half the fish were there that I left in Topless. One side had nothing, the other side had them.
19th with 644 was Dark Mark. Yay! Woo! 19th with 644 was Grayson.
Oh, don't mess him up with 100.
I got Grayson down to 644.
Be here for a half hour for 100.
I'll fix it. So you're right. 17th was 659 was Herm. 16th with 663 was Donk. 16.
Yeah.
15th with 664 was Tom White. 14th with 666 was Pete. The devil. 13th with 670 was Eric. 12th, 675 was me. 11th with 737 was Jeremy Dyer. Sorry, I'm back one number here, so I got to find it. Fucked up. So 11th.
Smoked them. That was a 2-pounder.
So 10th with 760 was Cody. 9th with 771 was Jason Dominguez.
Yes, I can.
8th with 8 pounds even was Enos, Mike Enos. Good job, Mikey.
Good night. 8-pound option, anyone?
7th with 818 was Joseph.
Are they? All the big ones.
6th with 839 was Tyler Kuiper. Good job, Tyler. 5th with 867 was Drew. Good job, Drew. All right, 5th place. Actually, Jensen, you're all good with it?
Yeah,
All right, man, I'm sorry.
it's my fault.
It was a great bag, too.
It's alright.
All right, man. Appreciate it. All right, so 4th place with 899, Damon.
Woohoo! For me.
All right, 3rd place with 929 was Tom Cruise. All right, Tom, good job. You won 164 bucks. You got it right here. All right, 2nd place. 944 was Jeremy Mon. Good job, Jeremy. Jeremy won 244. Good job, dude. Thanks, bud. And then 1st place.
I was telling Jason, I was like, you're freaking catching one after the other. Well, then I got that one, and literally, there was a 3-pounder trying to eat the jig out of the one.
And he had big fish of 470.
Big
Big
one.
fish paid 150. Wind paid 410. Paid the light. Welcome. So that's 540. All right.
Well, that's it for me today. I would have had 5th place, but I got DQ'd for coming in late. I thought check-in was at 3:15. You heard me calling it all day long. I kept thinking I had more time, but check-in was 3 o'clock. It's my own fault for not paying attention. I didn't make it in the money anyways, but still, I'm pretty sure I just get DQ'd and lose all my points for that, so that kind of sucks. But you know, when you do something wrong, you gotta go in and let the tournament director know. You know, gotta be honest about it. I had no idea till somebody came in and told me. They're like, hey, I think you're late. And I said, what do you mean I was late? I pulled in like 5 minutes early. He's like, no, I think you pulled in like 10 minutes late. And I was like, oh, I had no idea. I said, wasn't check-in at 3:15? He said, no, 3 o'clock, weigh-in. And I said, shit. I said, well, you better go tell him. I said, yep, I better go tell him. So I had to go tell Al. Al's a great guy, great tournament director. So I had to go turn myself in. So it is what it is. Not really a big deal. It's my own mistake. So if you guys are interested in fishing some tournaments, you guys should come check out Ambushers. Check out their schedule up on Jim's website there. The Ambusher schedule's on there. I think they got like at least 7 or 8 more. Next one's at San Antonio. You guys should, if you're getting into tournament fishing, it's a really great series to fish in. You guys should come check it out. It's a good one to check out if you really want to get into tournament fishing. A lot of newer guys, some better guys in there too in the mix, so makes it fun. And we also got that great tournament director Al. He's a good guy, so you guys should come check it out. All right, guys. If you enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. See you next time.